guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jiten and I am a rising junior at the University of Arizona. In this video, we will be talking about some 5 important and really interesting motivational tips which you can use to motivate yourself and do something creative and out of the way. Without any further ado, let's get started with this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, hit that like button right now. The first and the most important tip of motivating yourself or just imagining a deathbed. Yup, it sounds a bit different, but deathbed is basically like imagining that you are going to die or you're just lying on your deathbed without being conscious of the fact that you are going to die one day. You are not going to realize the true gifts that you have. One more thing that comes to my mind is one of the famous quotes that Steve Jobs always used to live by. He used to go in front of mirror and used to ask himself one single question every day. Steve Jobs always used to ask that if today was going to be his last day on this planet Earth, then would I want to do what I am about to do? Yep. Would I want to do what I am about to do? Time is the most rarest commodity on this planet. Just to give a real life example, like imagine when you went to a vacation or a place where you loved, you found out that you are short on time. Would you rather spend your time like thinking about the stuff which you didn't do, or would you just cherish all the minutes and all the seconds at that place? The next tip is welcoming the unexpected. You never know what you are going to do in future, so being open to many options and being open to different things is actually good. Like sometimes when you are planning to do something and if you're getting interrupted, that might be a good sign of doing something new or a small indication of doing something better. Third tip which I'm going to talk about is to be in control of your own computer. Here the computer refers to your mind. So imagine you are boarding an airplane and you hear the pilot saying like, what are these buttons all about? What does this like switch means? Won't you panic throughout the whole flight duration? Imagine yourself in the place of that pilot now, and then think that if you don't know what these switches or these buttons or these opportunities are, then how are you going to make the maximum utilization of those things? Be the master of your own mind and your own computers. The next tip which I'm going to talk about is to build a system. So we all know that affirmations is a really big thing in knowing or achieving whatever you want, but more than that, it is the truth that is more important. For example, if you don't know how to use your computer and you sit in front of your computer and say like, I know this, I got this is my computer, I know what to do, you're not going to learn anything. Instead of that, you just go and start failing and just repeat yourself like by doing all those things, and like willingness to just grow from your own attitude will help you to become better at that thing. That's the whole point of building a system rather than living on affirmations and other techniques. The next tip which I'm going to talk about is changing your perspective. When you're compassionate, you see others as compassionate. When you are sad, you see others as like really sad. So imagine this in a really interesting way. So if you change your glasses and wear sunglasses, you will see everything in like a dim or like a darker shade. That is what I mean by changing your perspective. The last and the really most important tip that I would like to share is set higher goals and lower expectations. What I really mean by this tip is that you should always set a higher goal and then lower your expectations. Personally, when you don't have like motivation to study or to go an extra mile, think of like a higher goal, a higher standard which you can commit yourself to, and then try competing against your own goal. And Before you know it, you will achieve that thing. And like if you accomplish something harder than that, it's really obvious that whatever you're going to do would become really easy. That being said, when you lower your expectations, you have like no or little attachments to the results which are going to come up with whatever you're doing. So this is one of my favorite tips to just motivate yourself and to go out and do something really amazing. That's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more amazing content. Thank you so much, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and families so that they would also be benefited from all the business knowledge and all the experiences which I had. Thank you all, and see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.